How to use Google Drive on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Google Drive on your device. So just go onto the Play Store and search for Google Drive over here. Now as a search for Google Drive, you can see if the app is updated to its latest version or not. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the Google Drive application. So as you can see, I've already logged into my account and you'll be able to see the four main options over here, which is the home, stirred, shared and files. So home is basically the home page of the Google Drive. Next is the start option, which is you can just add stars to the files that you want to easily find later on. The next is shared, where you can see the files that has been shared with you. Next is the files option, where you can see all the files that you have on your Google Drive. So what you can simply do is you can just go to each section and you find your files and load and upload the files on your Google Drive to find it later. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.